G'day guys, this is my GQ Barra Patrol build. It's going into a 97 RD 28 GQ Patrol, so I'll have to change all the diesel over to the petrol system. I'm planning on running the FG non-turbo engine because it's the most powerful of the non-turbo engines, and I can run 91 fuel out in the bush and not have any dramas with pinging or anything like that, as opposed to a turbo engine. I'll be making my own adapter plate and modifying a clutch and flywheel to suit from another vehicle, but should be a good build and a good project.
Righto guys, so currently got the engine out. Did that a couple of days ago. I found a gearbox because I've got the old RD gearbox, which is a bit smaller. There's a one-piece bell housing, so that won't work for the conversion. So what I'm doing now is getting rid of this box. So I'm taking the tail shafts out as well. I'll be going 4.1 diffs. These are 4.6s, and I believe they have a different flange on the diffs. That's the reason for taking out the drive shafts. Also, they're different length between the changing boxes, I believe. Yeah, so currently doing that. I'll keep on going. Everything's disconnected now, other than the handbrake cable, but I'm going to sort that out as it comes down, I think. I've got my tie-down straps there to support it. This is a bit of a one-man jobby, but yeah, hopefully it goes alright. Should come out not too difficultly. Yeah, might have to put the car on some ramps to get the box out, but we'll worry about that in about half an hour or something. See how we go. The cross member's undone on both sides now. It's sitting on the straps, they're nice and tight. I'll now continue to lower it down slowly. I'll probably put a sheet of wood here so I can slide it around on the ground a bit easier, but yeah, that's it for now. I've actually just remembered, still need to take my gear levers out. Yeah, so I'll do that first. There we are. Good as gold, ready to keep dropping the box. Now, because she's not very lifted, I've had to jack one side of the car up so I can roll the box out. Just about to take the levers off, gear sticks, and yeah, then it should roll out. Box is out. Nice. Picked up the TB box. So got the bell housing here and the Barra down there just to mock it up. Hopefully make some kind of adapter plate or something, but we'll see how it goes.